Tenzam Tube and Dungenzi to Sumnes Sanje Menjima Bindura Yeva Chatsebo. Chisi Namba Neva, Doa Chisine Yuga, Tizi Dani Nejune, Drove Dunges, show. Hello everyone, Kugamsan, Tashidili. I'm Dr. Dara here. So many my Indian friends asking me best meditation for our laymen. So I give you some my experience, okay, and I give you some tips of meditation. Also, what benefit for this meditation. So these meditations I'm doing my daily routine, okay. So this meditation is very helpful, especially my heart palpitation. I have some heart palpitation issues, which Tibetan called it's called Soklung and Ninglung. So meditation means any kind of meditations. Its main thing, our mind should control with our body. That is called a meditation. In I don't know Western term exactly. These days they calling in the air and wind. I don't know exactly what is correct, but which Tibetan called it's lung. Lung means some kind of the main connection with our mind and our brain. Kind of the 100% activity, brain activities related that movement words, movement activities, that thing called we lung. Okay, so meditation, they have many different of the meditations, yogi meditation, layman meditation, and kind of the high level meditations. So we people, lay peoples, those high level deep meditations not necessary. So we lay peoples just do that meditation is very helpful. Main thing, our mind should control whenever they have kind of the situation. That time, if you control your mind, that is main thing, meditation's power. Okay, so I show you some tips. This meditation helps your heart, your lung, your brain activity, whole kind of the brain activity, also your spinal areas, the kind of the circulation, nerve circulations, and it's related also inside organs activities. These days, so many issues comes, so many disease comes, anxiety, depression, stress, kind of the insomnia, kind of the related our mind issues comes. So this meditation, if you do this meditation, it's those beginning stage is will control. No need any meditation, no need any medicine, drugs, medicines. Okay, so I show you. First, this meditation you can do wherever you during the you're going to travel journey, wherever during the bus you can do 1 minute, 2 minutes, and during the bathroom you can do 1 minute, 2 minutes, or during the before sleeping also you can do 1 minute, 2 minutes. Wherever you can do this meditation, no need specific time. That is benefit of the one of this meditation exercise. Okay, so now also meditation postures, no need Vajra posture, no need. If you can, it's best, but not necessary. Also you can do in the office, no problem. Okay, only 1 minute, 2 minutes, that's enough. More than 5 minutes you can do this exercise. It's very helpful, and daily you can do 2 times. It's very helpful. Morning one and night one. Morning, early morning when you wake up, just try this exercise, this meditation, and before sleeping, just try one again meditation. That is very helpful for your kind of the many problems. Okay, now I show you your also hand posture also, as you wish, as you wish. What is comfortable for you, you can do. I'm comfortable for like this. Then your shoulder should open, your chest should like straight, your spinal comes for the straight like this, neck also just little bit bent. Then you just simply 1 minute, just you don't thought anything in your brain, in your mind, just make a completely blank. This is just beginning of the meditation. Now you can start. Just inhale through to nose. Deep breath. Then stop. Hold your all airs in the lungs. Hold how many you can. Then throw to mouth. Again. Hold. Hold. This style is very useful. So when you inhale through the nose, that time just you think that air like some kind of the energy, fifth element energy. Okay, and Amrit, just you think Amrit, you breathing. Then when you hold in lungs those all kind of the Amrit energy and Amrit air, your mind should come in your lung. If you have a lung problem, make a cleansing. If you have heart problem, just think for your heart. They have many kind of imbalance energy. Those all going to cleansing. And when you throw to mouth, all kinds of disease, unnecessary energy and unnecessary toxin kind of this will be taken out. This step should, wherever you get problem in your heart, your lung, your stomach, your liver, your spleen, your small intestine, and large intestine, and you have your ladies, uterus, ovary, and gents, prostate problem, kind of in your eye, also your ear, also your nose, You can just use during when you the stop that lung that air, then your mind should go wherever you get problem. Just make a cleansing, energy change. Disease should take out. Amrit and fifth element energy should put there, then take out like this. This is very useful. First time just beginning and started this meditation peoples, they have little bit difficult to this holding time. It's little difficult. Slowly it will be easy. I can hold 1 minute properly. So first 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Then slowly it will be gradually it will be more time you can hold. That time you get more benefit. Also during the holding time, your body comes for the sweat. That is one of good sign because of the air is getting probably catching on place. That is great energy. Okay, so if you have any kind of the issues like related of the mind, you can do this exercise. Also, this exercise I told you before, heart issue, lung issue, related or brain issue, related our mind and brain together. These days they what they depression, anxiety, pressure. Also, this meditation method helps chronic disease, thyroid problem, sugar problem, and diabetes problem, and cholesterol problem, high blood pressure problem, kind of the many, also edema problem. Okay, so you can do this exercise if you want to change your life. Main thing is helpful for our mind control on bliss. Please, you try this exercise and tell me what happened and what changed of your life. Okay, so no need for the long-term meditation, no need for the exactly one time. Anytime you can do, in office, in the travel time, on the car, on the bus, on the air, wherever, in the garden, wherever you can do this exercise. Thank you.